Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur, and today we will discuss about the performance appraisal of teachers. The most significant and interesting aspect relating to performance appraisal of teacher is that whom the performance should be appraised. There is number of performance appraisals that who can evaluate the performance of teachers. The evaluation of each person has own limitation and apprehension among teachers. In this context, that are evaluation of teacher by the student. First point, it is generally believed that the students are the best of teaching. Often the general reputation that the teacher based on the C evaluators of the performance of the teacher. While a formal system of evaluation of teacher by student does not generally exist in educational institutions in India, it is a fact that the students form their own opinion about the quality of teaching. Teachers generally find the remarks by their student to be of great value in their self-appraisal and for continuous improvement in their teaching technique. Second, evaluation by head of the department. It is other party that may be suggested as an appraiser is the head of the department or the senior most member of the department. It is believed that the person who is in constant touch with the teacher, he can assess the performance of his colleague. It is generally objected on the ground that the discrimination against a teacher developed year after year are likely to influence the evaluation. Third is evaluation by principal. Evaluation by principal, it is an industrial and governmental organization that the evaluation by the supervisor may be valid in the case of other organization, even though there is a possibility of subjectivity. But in institution of higher learning, it may not have that much of validity. One significant draw of the principal evaluation is the lack of educational authenticity on the part of the principal. As teachers in higher education belong to a wide spectrum of disciplines, no single principal has the academic competence to evaluate all of them. Next is evaluation by expert. It is generally believed that if a person who has direct and regular interaction with the teacher is assigned with the task of evaluation, there is always a possibility of unfairness creeping into the evaluation. Moreover, the evaluation becomes subjective. Hence, it is felt that if the task of evaluation is assigned to outside subject expert, the appraisal can be done objectively. Then, self-performance appraisal. Self-appraisal is another viable exercise in this regard. Every teacher is asked to submit a periodical self-assessment report on all the facts of his work, such as teaching, research, and extracurricular activities. The exercise will provide the individual teachers a valuable opportunity of detailed introspection, self-correction, and self-improvement. The Mehrotra Committee has also suggested self-appraisal by the teachers. In the opinion of the committee, the self-appraisal of their performance by teachers should be given a higher priority and introduced immediately in all institutions of higher learning. In our country, to identify teachers' effectiveness with student achievements taken in terms of number passes and failure in examination. What is the indicator of teacher performance? In our country, to identify teacher effectiveness with student achievements taken in terms of number of pass and the failure in the examination, a system where examination themselves are generally suspected as unreliability, examination results cannot serve as effective indicator of teacher effectiveness. In multi-instructional situation that prevail in our schools, college, university, students are simultaneously exposed to several teachers are responsible for the examination performance of a single student, group of students. Students' achievement depend also on several other factors like mental habits, campus atmosphere, and home environment. Teacher is only a facilitator of the learning, and student examination is not a valid indicator or teacher performance. The studies also revealed that examination marks scored in the periodical test marks or the fieldwork assignment, student participation in seminar, group discussion in the classroom were not considered to be correct indicator of the teacher performance. In performance appraisal, there will be deficient in teacher performance, making the assessment of teacher performance all the more a difficult task. The teacher performance cannot be measured exclusively in terms of quality of student, because the quality of the student shall be influenced by a number of factors and teacher is only a facilitator. So this is all about the performance appraisal of a teacher. Hope you understand the topic, and if you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.